I am gonna be wrapping my car in Christmas lights, and it's about to get festive up in this place. I mean, I've got about 6.5 tons of Christmas lights that are gonna go on this car. If you're Imperial Stormtrooper, that's about 6 giraffe lengths of a Christmas tree. And if you're metric, that's about 1 building of Christmas lights. I think this is 360 feet maybe, but we got 2. We also got this John Darn connector. That's how we're gonna power these things. You know, car may light on fire tonight, may not, we will see. But yeah, this is gonna be a time lapse because it can take up to 8 hours. 8 hours to wrap a car in Christmas lights. I mean, duh! So let's get right to it. Okay, so my camera battery keeps dying, but here is the latest and greatest update. The whole hood and this side is Completosaurus Rex. We come onto the back. The spoiler has got some big old lights. We got this little creature over here. He's back from college, so he's willingly working for me. Yes, you heard that right. Free labor. Can't get much better than this. So we just got this side left to cook up a storm on, and then we're freaking back. So yeah, not too much more to do except freaking combobulate on this thing and put the gook on. Okay, so briefly, I'm gonna turn these puppy dogs on. We're gonna test out the combobulation on this side. Everything's working. Sweet. Uno momento. Plug this thing in. Oh. Bam. Now, if that doesn't scream, oh, Christmas, I don't know what does. Check it, check it. 1, boom. Hold on, folks, I know it's exciting. Hold on. Boom. Ba-ba-boom. I mean, damn. Beautiful. Okay, so it's nighttime, as you can clearly see, and these are the goddamn lights that are not plugged in. But this is what it looks like from the inside of the car, right? Extremely bright, extremely beautiful. I don't know if you can see my face right now, but I am also extremely bright and beautiful. So we're gonna find a quick place to pull on over and give you a little tour, a walk around as some might call it in some areas of the nation. So let's cut right to that. Look at this thing. It is brighter than, I don't know what you might call this, but it's bright. Let's just say that, okay? Walk around to the back. I mean, dang! All the way around. I mean, dang! Pink truck. I mean, you can't miss this thing. You cannot miss it. Come around front. I mean, holy guacamole, is this thing sex-alicious. I'm gonna film me taking the lights off tomorrow when I take them off. But yeah, subscribe. It's not over yet. The video's not over, so don't leave. Don't leave. Well, folks, normally at this time of the year we have a bunch of snow, so this was kind of a bummer, but hopefully by this time next year we will have way more. So all the lights are pretty wet, which should actually make for some really easy stuff for pulling the tape off. So this is gonna be a time lapse because it's gonna take a long time. So let's get crack-a-lacking. Thank you all so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please subscribe and like the video, and make sure to come back to my next videos because they're gonna be pretty awesome sauce. If you have any suggestions, please comment them. I will be looking at those, and I will see you all in the next video. Thank you.